Hi friends, good day to all. Today we are going to discuss exam hall tips because exam hall tips is very important because whatever you have studied, whatever you prepared well, this particularly 3 hours uh, plays a important role for getting your job. Okay, and moreover here I given few tips. These tips at least for 3 or 4 tips you will follow means definitely you will get one job. There is no doubt about that. Okay, first, totally how many questions for us? 200 questions. Total how many questions? 200 questions. 200 questions for 300 marks, right? This 200 question segregated as three major topic. First one is English, and next one is GK, and the third one is aptitude and mental ability. Aptitude and mental ability. Okay, English question they are going to ask 100 question, GK question 75 question, aptitude and mental ability 25 questions. Okay. Okay. Next, English question. For English question, how many questions? 100 question. For 100 question, you are going to spend time 1 hour. Why we need to spend 1 hour for English? Because this 100 questions give more periodized because this only scoring and eligibility for passing this examination. And moreover, all those questions taken from book back, book back question answer, book back glossary, and book back poetic device only they are going to ask. So this 100 question only plays an important role to getting the job. So you have to be very clear. First 1 hour you are going to spend time for English. And moreover, English question, uh, all those English question taken from 6th to 10th book as per in the schedule, as per in the syllabus. Okay. Next, we should give more importance to aptitude and mental ability. Aptitude and mental ability, we need to spend time at least 45 minutes. Why 45 minutes? Because this is max. So we have to do and get the answer. So definitely it will take time. And moreover, I want to share few things. This aptitude ability, normally how they will ask, no? First, easy, then moderate, and then hard. Normally they will set a question like this only. Easy question 10 to 12 questions, easy question, moderate question 5 and 6, and remaining question only they will ask in the hard mode. So hard type of a question they will ask. So you have to be very clear. First you should do the easy question, then moderate question, and moreover particularly this group 4 exam doesn't have any negative marks, so all those questions you should attend. Okay. Next, gk part total 75 questions. GK part how many marks? 75 questions. Normally people are thinking GK part is very hard to study, but it is not like that. As per schedule you are studying the syllabus. Revision is very important. How you have to practice, how you have to revise, no? First, do you know part? As per syllabus, do you know part? You should study. Then box information. Then book back. Then previous year question. You just follow these kind of things means definitely you will get good marks in GK part also. So first of all, you have to believe yourself, right? So for GK part, how many minutes you have to spend? 45 minutes. This is English 1 hour, GK 45 minutes, and aptitude and mental ability 45 minutes. Okay, remaining 30 minutes. Remaining 30 minutes for your checking progress, because first you should know what are the questions you know very well. That questions only you are going to do first. That remaining question, maybe a few questions you have doubt about that kind of question you have to do in the last 30 minutes. Don't leave any question. Again one more time I'm telling, this particular exam, this group 4 exam doesn't have any negative marks, so try to attend all those questions. These are the tips you will follow, means definitely you will get one posting. Okay. Hopefully this video will be really helpful for you. I think so. Next we will see some interesting video. Thank you friends. Thank you.